Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI Summary to read faster on OnePlus tablet or OnePlus phone. If you want to read faster by simply shortening the amount of words you have to read, but not shortening the actual content, so you can know everything, but you don't have to read for so long, you can open any article that you want to read. Let's check out the Discover page and open anything. Then simply slide from the side if you have the smart bar. If you don't have it enabled, I'll show you shortly how to enable it. But once you have it, click on AI Summary and it'll start generating the shorter version of the text. And it's done. Now, if you want, you can simply enable the smart bar by going to Settings, Accessibility and Convenience, Smart Sidebar, enable Smart Sidebar as well as Smart Functions, and this bar should appear somewhere on the screen. I will be able to slide it towards the center, and once it's opened within an app like, for example, Google, then you'll be able to read faster using it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.